Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Slack to Make in 2026. If you want to automate Slack messages and connect your workspace with hundreds of other apps, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, create a new scenario or open an existing one where you want to use Slack. Next, click the plus icon to add a module. In the search box, type Slack and select the Slack app from the list of available integrations. Now choose the trigger or action you want to use. For example, you can select Watch Messages, create a channel, post a message, or another available action based on your workflow. Next, click Add or create a connection. A Slack authorization window will appear. Sign in to your Slack workspace if prompted, then choose the workspace you want to connect. Now review the permissions requested by Make and click Allow to authorize the connection. Once the authorization is complete, your Slack workspace will appear as an available connection inside the module. Configure the remaining module settings, such as selecting the channel, message content, or trigger conditions. Then click Run once to test the connection and make sure everything works correctly. Finally, save your scenario and switch it on. Your Slack automation will now run automatically whenever the configured trigger is activated, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Slack to Make step by step, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.